Welcome to another PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video we will walk you through the most common mistakes when wiring a relay board. The most common issue is simply wiring the relay board incorrectly, often turning it the wrong way. As you can see from the label, it should face this way, but in many cases it's wired upside down. At first, this might not cause problems, as the PIERRE outputs and the GND can be connected, but it won't function. The real issue occurs when the phase is connected to the input. At that point, the relay board gets damaged and burns out. So we won't be making that mistake here, but always ensure that the relay board is properly oriented, with the label facing the correct direction. Once it's connected correctly, you'll notice the GND and the relay board inputs will align as expected, and everything will work fine. Another common mistake is when you try to toggle the switch but nothing happens, it doesn't turn on. In this case, check if the correct output pin is selected. To do that, we open the Partner app, select the controller, go to the Outputs, and verify the selected pin. We can see that pin 2 is selected, but it's actually connected to pin 1. We just need to switch it to the correct pin, and then the light will turn on immediately. Sometimes, the GND might accidentally be connected to the wrong place or not connected at all, like this. In that case, it's clear that the system won't work. Every connection should be precisely to the marked locations to ensure everything works properly. That's it for the most common relay board wiring mistakes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.